Hi! In front of me is INFINIX HOT 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this INFINIX. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that location is now enabled. In order to disable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also just go into Settings and tap on Location section. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher next to Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!